So there are a couple different options for lighting on the interior of the van. First, we have can lighting. Can lighting is 8 separate light bulbs that run the length of the van on the ceiling. These are really utilitarian. These are for being able to see everything on the inside of the van. If you're cooking at night or you're looking for something, this is what it's great for. The second option of light on the inside of the van are the accent lights. The accent lights you can get in red, green, blue, or off-white. And what this is more of a softer light. If you want to move around the van when somebody else in the van is sleeping, or you just need to get up, go use the restroom in the middle of the night and you don't want to turn on the bright LED lights, the accent lights are really great. Or if you just want to hang out on the inside of the van and you don't need a ton of light, the accent lights are really the way to go. The cargo lighting is the same LED light that you'll find on the can lighting. It's a really bright light that if it's pitch black in here and you turn these things on, you're not going to miss anything. You're going to be able to see everything. It's really great if you're looking for stuff in the back of the van, you're trying to get to something or looking at a crevice or something. It's really great for that. The cargo lighting lights up where your air compressor is, where your hot water is, where your clean water is, and also all the controls on the entertainment box where all the power is orchestrated. All of this is being lit up by what we're calling the cargo light. This is the rear light bar that shines down at the back of the van, and this is perfect for if it's nighttime and you want to work at the back of your van. Let's say that you want to pull the gear slide out and work on it like a workbench at night, or if you're setting up camp and you just need some really nice crisp light, that's what this is great for. We've also got light on both sides of the van that shine down as an option. And this light is actually underneath the canopy. So if you wanted to have the canopy out and still use the light at night, you could do that. And then we've got the front light bar up front, the 52-inch light bar. That one is great for if you are off-roading and you just need a lot more light than what is available on the road or the trail. That's what the front light bar is perfect for.